The spread of a whooping cough has been sequenced, but scientists are having a hard time keeping track of where it came from. By Sam Olley and Felix Walton of rnz.nz, public health officials were urgently trying to sort through to see if this strain was unusually live after 3 babies from the disease, also known as whooping cough, this year. Environmental science and research bioinformatics and genomics senior science leader Joep de Ligt told the RNZ that a sample from a young boy showed THA